Welcome to our literacy class. Today we are going to study about vowel sounds. There are 5 vowel letters in English. Each one has its own sounds. Let's learn them. A is for apple. A sound is A. Apple. E is for elephant. E sound is A. Elephant. I is for igloo. I sound is E. Igloo. O is for octopus. O sound is O. Octopus. U for umbrella. U sound is A. Umbrella. Okay children, now say with me. A-E-I-O-U. A sound is A. E sound is A. I sound is E. O sound is O. U sound is A. Okay. Great job. Well done. Keep practicing your vowels every day. Bye bye. See you soon.